Lake Tahoe. We've almost driven around it. Which has been close to about 80 miles all total before when we get done. But everything you're seeing out there, we've driven over. Except the water.
If you get a spot where we can pull off and see this water, I'd like to do it. Where they can see the rocks and everything.
There's a spot right up here we'll pull off on.
This water is just so spectacular. Of course, the only difference is I'm a water nut and Jerry's not. But the colors and the fact that you can see down into it and just see everything. Rocks, the boulders that are down in it. People water ski out here, I think they're crazy after seeing all the boulders in there. But it is spectacular. No matter where you are on this lake, it looks the same. I've been around this lake again. Really starting to warm up. It was 30 some odd degrees this morning when we got out of bed. That is ridiculous considering I don't like cold weather.
Were you filming?
Yeah.
We just came off all the back roads. Now we're on the 4-lane road that goes into Lake Tahoe. We're still about 15 minutes from the hotel we're staying. We've driven all the way around the lake. There's the lake off to your right over there. That's a postcard picture there. Still a pretty ride, even though it's, you know, faster speed limit. You have the lake, the next minute you're done. coming up in about 4 minutes here, we're going to go through that tunnel that we showed you at the very, very beginning. Did I lose you?
Just about. We stopped on the top of this road to take some of these pictures because they're just spectacular. Oh, it's just gorgeous. The lake is so clear, but there's a lot of boulders and a lot of rocks and stuff in it. But it's crystal clear water. We're just standing here in this little thing right here. A rock just fell.
It's probably closed by now.
Little trails that people make down to the lake from these points. I don't know how that world that ever get back up, but they do. So, alrighty, but we're just gonna turn it on and let you see some of the beautiful scenery around here. If it kind of leans, you'll understand why these are the curves that I was talking about. You go up and down these narrow roads, and like I said, there was a lot of rocks.
Now shoot down there on the lake. There's beautiful, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I just figure I want to follow the road. It sees everything.
Oh, hon, oh my gosh. Can't get it.
Well, we'll get a little bit of it, but not that much. We'll get it on the way back.
Look at down there. Looking straight down over the hill.
Yeah. It's just unbelievable.
Got it?
Yep. Inspiration Point.
They even got trails over there for you to walk up.
They have a lot of deer crossing signs. They have a lot of horseback riding up in here. Snow crossing signs. Everything. Yeah. Like I said, it's like a roller coaster ride.
Go over to your right. Go over to your right.
Spectacular sights.
Rock slide area.
I just turned it back on again because We're getting to where we really can see the snow on the mountains.
We've been driving around this lake now for an hour and 20 minutes.
Hoping I can get a shot through these. There we go.
We're gonna get up high here in a minute.
Snow on the mountains. Be able to see the snow. The houses that block it.
There you go.
There we go. There's the snow. Really, there is a lot of snow. Trying to shoot before, there it is. There's the snow. Go around a corner and you can see it all over again. See, it's coming up again.
Trees will block again.
Lots and lots of little towns all over these roads. All different kinds of houses.
Get ready over on your right if we hit a clearing.
It's funny, it's so brown on some of the mountains, and then it's all of a sudden you run into the snow-covered mountains.
So the oaks shoot out the side.
Okay, there you go. Lake Tahoe, there's the snow. It's unbelievable to see that much snow. People were driving up from all over to come and play in the snow. So far, I've had no desire to go up and play in the snow.
They've been showing on TV the last 2 nights.
These are some of these little villages that we go through. Some of the population will be written down at 203 or 2100, just real small places. They have a lot of bicycles here, a lot of bicycle riding. Paths going up through the mountains. Kind of neat. They'll be gearing up for the winter months, and that's when they make their money up here. One thing about these rides is you can turn one corner and not know what you're going to see around the other corner. And it does turn. You're looking at the lake, the next minute you're looking at the mountains.
Kings Beach.
Jerry says we've been in the car for an hour and a half driving around.
Problem is, there's so damn many signs you can't tell what's what. Everything's so crammed together up here on the mountains. Back up we go.
We were here the other day. This is Ponderosa Ranch where Bonanza was filmed, and you do a lot of climbing to be around here, let me tell you. But it was a lot of fun. It really was. It's a big place. It's huge. A lot of old stuff. This is a sign as you drive in. Jerry had already passed it, so I asked him to back up. It was kind of fun to go through it. See how they made the pictures and everything. So, like I said, it is a big place. Lots of old machinery. There's the car we're driving. Jerry just got out of the car and said, shoot straight through there. Look at the top. There's that snow again. Yeah, it's pretty good. The villa's up there.